Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth with Live Simple, Live Free, and people have really been enjoying me doing my unboxings. So I just got my box and I'm going to go ahead, I haven't opened it at all, and I'll open it with you.
To open it. Wow.
And it's just kind of fun to share that with you. If you haven't followed on my other unboxing videos, I get a subscription service from a place called Lev HaOlam, which means Heart of the World. And it's helping these farms and artisans and businesses that are in like the central heart of Israel, in Judea, in Samaria, helping them just to be able to have a market for their products and their art. And so I've been getting this for a little while and trying to share opening them with you. So I've so far really loved this stuff. The food's been good. All the organic stuff's been wonderful for me. So let's open this up and see. It's always fun when I get it. Here we go. There we are. Okay. Now, they seem to always have a theme. And sometimes it has to do with a festival or some kind of celebration that's happening kind of in this period of time. And the last one I got was really focusing on wonderful stuff for the summer. So let's see what we're going to be looking at here. So I'll have to figure out more what this is. But I will look at this more in just a minute. And very nice piece of art. And then I get the little booklet every time that tells you kind of how things are going in Israel right now, and about the different companies that are behind these products and about their families. And there's always recipes, and so I'll look at that more in just a moment here. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. This is nut butter. And yes, oh wow, tiger nuts is something that's really good for you. Anyway, there's tiger nuts, cashew nuts, hazelnuts, sesame seeds, coconut, and vanilla in here. And it's just a really lovely nut butter. Cool. Neat. Okay. And okay, now here we actually have some mixed nuts. Ooh, they look so good. There's cashews, pistachios, almonds, pecans, some salt. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, now here is a spice blend. In the meadows of Bethlehem in the Galilee is a farm growing herbs and spices of the highest quality. The secret magic lies in agricultural methods developed over 70 years of farming the soil of the region. So there's this wonderful, these spices here for cooking. Neat. It says, our vision is to spread the culture of spices through a wide range of spice blends for cooking, for health, for well-being, and a never-ending passion for creating new products. Galilean Za'atar spice blend. Oh my, does that smell good. Oh, wow. That's so good. Hyssop, sesame seeds, canola oil, sumac, olive oil, and sea salt. Oh, that smells so good. Packing stuff here. Okay, Tehillah Osher, contemporary Israeli art. They have artisans that oh, how beautiful. It's a bracelet. Oh, I hope you can see that. I'll try to show you closer. Shalom, my name is Tehillah Osher. I live and breathe the wonderful air of Mount Hebron and from it draw inspiration. The bracelet is made of brass. It's coated in a transparent layer in order to maintain the authenticity of the material. There's a wealth of archaeological finds in Mount Hebron, especially in Susha. My trips in the ancient city of Susia, my birthplace, gave me the inspiration for the design of the bracelet. There's a stone engraved in Susia with the lamps as shown on the bracelet. The ancient Hebrew writing on the bracelet means, "For salvation has been completed." This actually expresses the Jewish desire to live in peace and tranquility in the land of Israel. Isaiah 2 says, "Nation shall not lift up sword against nation, and neither shall they learn war anymore." I hope you're as excited as I am with your new bracelet. Oh, that's really nice. And it's got a little thing where you can change the size. Yeah, it's all, it's got like beautiful engraving on the brass, and the engraving goes completely through it. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me open a little bit more here. There we go. Oh, yeah. And then I can tighten it down to fit on my wrist. Oh, that's really beautiful. It's got the lamps and then the Hebrew words there. Oh, how neat. That's beautiful. Arbel Natural Beauty Geranium, Lavender and Lemon Daily Moisturizing Cream. Oh, wow, neat. Oh, I have loved the creams in the, their sunblock for this last one has been so nice to my skin. I have loved their beauty products. Daily Moisturizing Cream. It's all generally really natural and smells so good. Oh, I so much wish I had smell-o-vision. This stuff smells so good. All right, let me just take a quick look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh, that smells so nice. So there's a moisturizing cream and, oh, nice, an exfoliating face wash. Wonderful. Oh, this stuff smells really good. From a company called Arbel. And then here, oh yeah, I've loved their olive oil. I've been using it. Organic olive oil. Beautiful. From the southern Jordan Valley. Oh. Oh. I'm going to read this because it's really quite beautiful. And that was everything in the box. A young couple in the middle of the desert, a wedding in the middle of a fierce sandstorm. This is the beginning of a powerful and turbulent journey. A small scout tent stands in the dark and a campfire glows. Together we plant a tree and bake bread. The days go by as do the years, summer days in the blazing sun and long winter nights guarding in the cold. Babies are born and grow up in the desert landscape among suckling lambs and olive and mango and date trees. Young men and women join the journey, youth who have set out to find a meaning and found a home, land and sky, each one bringing with them their own wisdom, their hard work, and their hearts. The song of the youth is heard as they harvest the olives and fill the containers with the joy of youth and the culmination of childhood. Together we continue to create this world where we are connected to one another by love, where the Hebrew nation returns to its land and instills a spirit in the soil, the trees and the animals breathing that same unity together, creating a paradise in the desert. Oh, this is neat. And the olive oil, I'm sure it's going to be wonderful. It has been so good. All right. So I can learn in here about the different companies and the artists and the farmers and everything. I've gotten honey before, which has been outstanding. Been so good. And then like recipes. and then telling me about the creams, the nuts, the menorah brass bracelet, the spices, and then this painting is of an ancient lintel in Hebron, and this man is a painter, Shmuel Mushnik, and came to Israel from the Soviet Union as a teenager, and he is a curator at the adjacent Hebron Museum. Oh, neat. And the container of nuts and the organic olive oil. Oh, that's wonderful. So there's just a story in here that has to do with this painting. So, all right, well, we have just been really enjoying everything that's been coming in. It's always so much fun to get it. They're all different. This is quite lovely. It's just a beautiful thing. And so, all right. This is just, the Lev HaOlam is just a way to try to help these businesses and families and farms and artisans be able to really make a living and keep this growing and producing and thriving. So I think it's wonderful. So anyway, I will leave a link down below in the description. It's not hard to find. It's Lev HaOlam. And I'll write that on the screen here, and it'll be in the end screen. But it's just been fun sharing these unboxings with you. So all right, listen guys, be blessed. Love you. Live simple, live free. Bye-bye.